Hey family, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I tweeze my synthetic wigs now. I just started doing this and so far I love it. So I'm doing the Sensational Wig Zelena in the color Jet Black #1. I do have the Flamboyage Chocolate and y'all, it's a vibe, okay? I love that color. I love that wig. I love this brand actually. So let's see. It is a 13 by 6 frontal, 6 inches of parting space in the middle, 2 inches on the side. There's combs, there's an elastic band or adjustable bands, and a breathable cap. There's also, the lace, excuse me, is like, it melts like butter. It melts in your skin. I didn't have to do any type of tinting. If you have to, you can, but yeah, that's how bomb this lace is, like for real. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first I'm gonna do is kind of press all the hair back. I want a nice clean canvas. So I'm taking my pressing comb. It was on 10 and then I changed it to 5 because 10 was a bit too hot. It does go up to 25. So, just kind of play around with the settings, but I will start, lowest to highest. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to see what the hairline looks like. It does come pre-plucked, but sometimes that's not enough for certain people. It wasn't enough for me. And then it does come with baby hair. So I'm just pressing everything back just to see what we got going on. And I like to start tweezing behind the hairline first. Definitely do what's best for you and what you like to do. This is what I like to do. Even with my human hair wigs, I do this. And I typically tweeze my human hair wigs dry. But with synthetic wigs, after doing some research, I found that spraying the wig with like a light mist helps kind of loosen up those synthetic fibers. You guys, listen, this was a game changer for me because the first time I tweezed my synthetic wig, I got so many holes in it, okay? And so when I did this, I think I got one hole. It was just so much easier doing it this way. So get you some tweezers, some sharp tweezers. Those I got from Sally. They're not sharp anymore, but I gotta go to the store. But so we're gonna go ahead and get the tweezing, and I'm doing the pluck, skip method. And I'm doing this in real time because I wanted you guys to see what I'm doing in real time. I've seen or I've noticed like people do plucking tutorials and they like speed it up or it's sped up. And I want you guys to see that, you don't have to go that fast. Definitely take your time, especially if this is your first time doing this. Do not rush the process because, as they say, trust the process. Don't rush it either, okay? So I just do the pluck, skip method. And I will say that you will have to kind of be a little bit aggressive with this because the synthetic hair is a bit more stubborn than the human hair. So just kind of might have to pull it a little bit, but it'll come out. And just be careful because, like I said, you can put a hole in it, but the water does help kind of loosen it up. Okay, and then you can kind of see the front of that, how it looks. So on the sides, I did say it was 2 inches of parting space on the side. So it's kind of hard to tweeze because there's a track right there. So I found this out after I filmed this. The best way to do the sides is just to pluck starting from the hairline and then pluck your way going back. I did end up doing that afterwards, but I didn't film it, unfortunately. So, but definitely try that if this step doesn't help. So, also, if you do put a hole in your lace, I will link I have a tutorial on how to like fix your holes in your lace. So I'll go ahead and link that down below for anybody that's needing it. So, but yeah, just go ahead and just tweeze it to your heart desire. As you can tweeze it how much you want, how less you want. It is your wig, okay? She belongs to you, okay? And you gonna do it how you want to do it. Okay. But but I hope this helps somebody. And if any questions, definitely put them in the comment section. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Or no, the next clip. All right, and you're at the finish line, so your hairline should be, look something similar or better. I did have to go in after this and tweeze a little bit more. It's just I wasn't satisfied, but that's okay. So, work your way up to the hairline that you want, and that was the hair that came out. But this wig is so beautiful. I'm so excited that I was able to film this for you guys. I hope it helps you. And I know one thing, I kind of want to start a service where I tweeze folks to synthetic wigs and install them. So that's something that I plan on doing in the future. But in the meantime, practice makes perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless y'all. Mwah.